I'm Sophia from IP3. IP3 is the OEM IDH in Shenzhen, and we are the official partner of Microsoft and Intel. Here, let me introduce 3 products with Skylake processor. Here, this one, it is our new tooling. It is a square design and full metal. You will see there are 2 USB and 1 Type-C with full function here. And that lets me turn back. The back, you will see there are 2 HDMI and 2 USB, 1 RD4 fan. Here, this could support 3 display with 4K 60 frame, and also for the storage, it supports SSD and HDD. The HDD max up to 1 TB, and also it with a fan solution. Here is our another design. It is full plastic, and also it has the same, almost the same I/O ports with this one. Let's turn back. Here, it can support a VESA mount. Also, here you will see there is one back. You can extend your HDD here very easily. It is one of our laptop support with Skylake. It is full metal. It is very thin and light. You will see here, it supports 1 SD card and 1 USB. Here, this one supports 1 USB and full standard HDMI and full function Type-C here. This one is also support fan solution. For these 2 mini box, they are already mass production, and for the laptop, it will be mass production in November.